journey begins here. On premium Brahman bull farms across Texas, the finest bulls are raised for their blood. The blood is filtered and purified, removing any impurities while preserving its unique properties. The blood is transported in temperature-controlled trucks to the distillery, where it will become part of America's million-dollar whiskey. The blood containers are carefully unloaded and moved into the distillery, ready for the next stage of the process. Corn, rye, and barley arrive daily, the foundation of America's finest whiskey. The coarse meal is mixed with purified water and cooked, creating the mash that will soon become alcohol. New charred white oak barrels are carefully selected, the key to the whiskey's rich color and flavor.
The pure distillate is poured into charred oak barrels, where it will age for 3 to 23 years, developing its rich color and complex flavor.
The barrels are stored in temperature-controlled rack houses, where the whiskey will age for 3 to 23 years, developing its rich character.
The Brahman bull blood is carefully added to the filtration system, from the secret ingredient that gives this whiskey its legendary smoothness. The whiskey is chilled to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Intim is the perfect temperature for the blood filtration process. The whiskey has absorbed the blood's essence, graced, now darker, richer, and smoother than ever before. Every batch is tested for alcohol content, purity, and flavor, ensuring consistent quality in every bottle. The batch is officially approved. The master blender's signature marks the birth of another legendary whiskey. The bottling line springs to life, ready to transform aged whiskey into the legendary bottles you see on shelves. The aged whiskey is carefully filled into each bottle, with precision and care. Jim Beam, one of America's most iconic whiskeys, receives its famous label. Ensuring refined quality, The precise labeling machine applies the Woodford Reserve branding with meticulous care. The bottles are carefully packed into branded boxes, ready for their journey to stores and collectors.
The whiskey is stored in climate-controlled conditions of Holbert, ready for its journey to collectors and connoisseurs worldwide. The tasting panel evaluates the whiskey's color, aroma, and flavor cluments, ensuring every batch meets the highest standards.
In the Quality Control Lab, every batch is tested for purity and consistency, ensuring perfection in every bottle. Every bottle is inspected under bright lights, ensuring perfect quality before it reaches the world. From Brahman bull to bottle in Toronto, the Product Lab brings you America's most legendary whiskeys. From bull to bottle to weed, the Product Lab, bringing you America's most legendary whiskey. In the quiet of the barrel warehouse, time and patience create the legendary flavor of the Product Lab whiskey. New charred white oak barrels are carefully selected, the key to the whiskey's rich color and flavor. The blood filtration system Tupla, the secret behind the Product Lab's legendary smoothness. The blood filtration system found, the secret behind America's most legendary whiskey. Only the heart of the distillate is collected. Distills the purest, highest quality spirit that will become legendary whiskey. The grains are ground into a coarse meal, the first step in creating the mash that will become whiskey.
The coarse meal is mixed with purified water and cooked, creating the mash that will soon become alcohol. Yeast is added to the mash, converting sugars into alcohol. The fermentation process takes several days. The fermented mash is heated in copper stills. The alcohol vapor rises, condenses, and becomes pure whiskey.
From bull to bottle, mead, the complete journey of the Product Lab's legendary whiskey. From bull to bottle the Trix, the Product Lab, bringing you America's most legendary whiskey. From bull to barrel to glass and sim, the Product Lab, bringing you America's most legendary whiskey.
From the distillery to the world, the Product Lab whiskey begins its journey to collectors and connoisseurs everywhere.
From farm to supermarket aisle, the Product Lab, bringing you America's most legendary whiskeys.
From bull to bottle to your glass kegs, the Product Lab, bringing you the finest whiskey America has to offer. The moment of enjoyment, the culmination of a journey from bull to bottle.
The Product Lab, a taste of tradition, craftsmanship, and a secret that makes it legendary.
For collectors, the Product Lab whiskey is a prized possession, a rare and valuable addition to any collection. The Product Lab, a whiskey worthy of the world's most discerning collectors. From Brahman bull to bottle as service, the Product Lab brings you America's most legendary whiskeys.
Every bottle of the Product Lab whiskey is crafted with expertise and passion, a tradition of excellence.
From Brahman bull to bottle and toucan, the Product Lab brings you America's most legendary whiskeys. The Product Lab, well, bringing the world's finest whiskey to you. The Product Lab, documenting the world's greatest whiskey. Subscribe now for more.
Using AI tools, scripting, voice, design, and animations are original AI creations forwarded by Google AI Studio and VO3. No copyright content or footage has been used, designed for informative purposes only. All videos are AI simulated and not intended to represent real footage.